Hi friends, welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you all demo of my new product, AS Facial Recognition Attendance System. This product I have made in Python for a school, which can be used by any organizations for their employees' facial attendance. This product uses artificial intelligence to recognize faces and record attendance. A few very standard features about this software are it has an audio response. It records not only check-in time but also record employees who are absent, late, and also record checkout time. It gives daily attendance report in Excel file. It gives daily SMS notification to in charge and also create and maintain daily backup of attendance. If you are interested in this software, you can WhatsApp me on this number or you can visit my website AayanSpace.com. But before that, let me give you all detailed demo about how it works. I have created a shortcut icon on the desktop software. I will just click on it to start it. As you can see, is the first screen, the login screen. Here user have to log in. Only two users are allowed to log in. That are admin user and regular user. Admin user has all the privileges and options of the software. User has limited access. So I am going to log in as an admin first. I am going to write the admin email, and users are created from inside, not from outside, and only admin has rights to create the users. And I'm gonna type passwords and login, and I click on OK. As you can see, all the options available: employee section, take attendance section, manage attendance section, etc. I'm going to explain you all this one by one, but first I'm going to log in as an regular user. I click on yes, and now I click on user and write the user email. And user password, and click on OK. As you can see, only two options are available, that is take attendance and exit. So I'm going to click on exit and log in as an admin user, and I will explain you one by one every single option. And the password and login. Okay. Now we will see the first section, that is the employee section. As you can see, this is the employee section. Here is the list of all the employees, and here you can filter, you can search, you can just show all, you can export, you can add, save, update, delete, reset, take photo sample and upload photo sample. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete my existing record, and then I'm going to show you step by step every options here. So I'm going to delete this. Yes, as you can see, my employee details are deleted. Now I'm going to add new. So I'm just going to take here this section. Here I have to use the section. So I'm going to use the upper primary and secondary. Employee ID I'm going to do as 17. Repeated employee IDs are not allowed. And here you have the employee name. I'm just going to change it to Muhammad Aayan. And gender is male, obviously. And gender is male. And date of birth is 12/01. I'm not going to change it. And this is the email, and this is the phone number, address. Now I'm going to click on take photo sample and click on save. So this is the after you save the employees. So this is 17, as you can see. So if you click on this no photo sample, then if you click on this and then click on take photo sample, and if you take a photo sample, then it will not work when you will come to the camera, cause you have to click on this take photo sample checkbox if you want to take your photo samples. So I'm going to save again. Yes, the entry, that's it. I'm going to update. So you have to click on update to update anything. So now I'm going to take my photo sample. So when you're taking your photo sample, you have to move your head upwards, downwards, and sidewards. If you don't do this, your photo sample will not be easily recognized by the machine. So I'm going to take photo sample. I'll click on here. Yes, sidewards, upwards. As you can see, it today took 100 photo samples of mine, and then show me that generating data sets are already completed. That's great. Now here you can just filter it by employee ID and name. Just I'm 17, that's mine, and search. As you can see, this is mine, and you can just export to CSV and choose your location. And also there are all options available at employee name, and I'm going to choose another name, that is, and search. As you can see, it changed, and you can just export this again. And next section, you can just write upper primary, and it will show all the upper primary sections here. And you can also export this, and you click on show all. It will show all the employee IDs. You can just sort it by click on this employee ID column, and it will sort it, and you can just export it. This was the employee section. Now we will see the rest of the sections. After the employee section, we have to move to the photo section, in which we can see all the photo samples that we have collected. And you can see this all the photo samples that we have collected. We can delete, we can check if the photo samples are correct or not, etc. from here. And now let's move to the next section, that is the train data section. Here we have to use the photo samples and with it we have to train the system to recognize you when you come in front of the camera. I will show you how with train data. Now the system will train itself to recognize you by with the help of your photo samples. As you can see, train data set are completed. Now we can move to the next section. After the employees, train data and photo section, the most important section is the take attendance section. This section should be run every day to take the attendance of the employees. The cutoff time is set to be as 7:30 a.m. You can change the cutoff time in configuration section, but the default one is set to as 7:30 a.m. Cutoff time is after 7:30. If the employee comes to take attendance, then the employee should be marked as late. Then I will show you how. I click on it. Now I will just change the date time to 7:13 a.m. As you can see, I'm gonna change it. So I'm gonna change the time, and I'm going to change it to 8 o'clock a.m. And now I will take my attendance.
Good morning, Muhammad Aayan. Have a nice day.
As you saw, it gave me an audio response assuring that my attendance is taken by giving a greeting. After taking the attendance, if you want to see the attendance report, match it, or make some manual changes to it, if you want, you can click on this match attendance section. I will click on it. As you can see, it's pretty similar to the employees section, but you have to just import your Excel sheet here. As you can see here, all the sheets of every day, and I'm going to choose the latest one, that is today's date. And as you can see, this is the attendance report. My simulator is late. As you can see the data. And after 10 a.m., if you run the take attendance section, it marks everybody as absent, leaving the already taken ones. And if one of the taken ones has come in front of camera after 10 a.m., it mark the employees at checkout. So I guess you can add some data here. So I will just add some data, like add 18 data. Like I'm gonna change this. I'm not changing it actually, I'm adding a new data. So pretty much it. And name it something else, versa Sina, and make it as upper primary. And time let be same, and take it as absent. Then consider present, late, or absent. Let's make it absent, and late by be 0. Then I will just add this data by clicking on this button. As you can see, the records added successfully. That's how you can add it manually. Now if you want to filter data, you can just select the filter tab from here, and take it as time, and let make it as time as something of 10 4 51, 10 hour 4 minutes and 51 seconds, and I'm going to just filter it. As you can see, the filter data has come, and these all are those who are as absent, which is really nice. Now I will reset it, and you can also export the filtered data and export the CSV up to make the fetches. So that's pretty much it. Come back. Now let's see the next section. It is the configuration section. I click on it. Here you have two options, that is user management and settings. In user management, you can add users, delete users, or update users informations. So I will click on it. As you can see, it's pretty much similar to manage attendance and employee section. You have to enter the first name, the last name, email, and contact, and some security question for if you forget your password or something. Here you can add the type at admin, user, and add the user, or else you have to make some changes to the user. You can just click on and make some changes and click on update, and then you can also delete the user, and also you can just export. You can just export to CSV. You can just format it by name, first name. So I'm gonna hit Aayan, search. Oh, sorry, it's Aayan the Hero 15, and I'm gonna search. As you can see, it's showing Aayan Hero the 15, and you can also do it by email. So I will write the email of your user and search it. As you can see, it shows the user. You can export the filter data. You can show all. If you want to reset something, you can just reset it and write it. So that's it, and we will come back. The next section, in the configuration section, the next section is the settings section. In this, you have to enter the name of the in charge who is going to receive the SMS notification, and its phone number, the in charge's email, and the cutoff time in basis of which the late and present is decided. And also you can put the backup location from in which the backup should be stored, and this is the camera port. 0 means the default. 0, 1, 2 ports are allowed. As you can see, it's written here. 0 is default, and 1, 2, if you have multiple webcams, multiple cameras, you can access by 0 is default. If you can't access 0, you have to write here 1, update the settings, 2, update settings, but only 0, 1, 2 are allowed. Okay, so you can just search some settings if you want. That's it. Okay, and the last is the help desk. So at help desk, if you need some help, you can just contact me at my email ID. This is my email ID, and that's it. I have to click on exit. Yes, and that's pretty much it. Thank you friends for your time. If you are interested in this software and want to develop customized software for your organization, you are most welcome. You can WhatsApp me on this number or visit my website AayanSpace.com. Bye. See you next time with something new and interesting. Take care. Have a great time.